Hi friends, welcome in this online class of जिजाऊ ज्ञानतीर्थ विद्यालय पाथरी रोड परभणी. Friends, we have to see the science of standard 5th. In this book we are in the 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is Let us solve our own problems. म्हणजे आपणच सोडवू आपले प्रश्न. In this chapter, up to the last lecture, we have seen the issue in civic life, solving disputes. After that, the Mahatma Gandhi dispute free village mission. Today we have to see the next topic. In that, the point is problem solving. See about the problem solving. Have you heard about these attempts at solving problem? Hivre Bazar. In the village of Hivre Bazar in Ahmednagar district, water shortage was a big problem. This problem was solved with the help and participation of the villagers. The problem of villagers. That problem is solved by help and participation of the villagers. The problem of animal feed was also solved now. Hivre Bazar has lush green surrounding. See, many villages face water shortage. Find the reason for this and suggest solution. Like Hivre Bazar. Next, cleaning a village through Shramadhan. The people of Khudawadi village in Usmanabad district clean their village through Shramadhan or voluntary contribution of labor. They decided that everyone should help in cleaning the village. First, the waste water was dealt with. The garbage was used to make manure using vermiculture. A toilet was built in each house. See, this is also good example of problem solving. Next, Sant Gadge Baba used kirtan to stress the importance of keeping the village clean. He told the people that we cannot make progress without he show people how to clean the village through his own action. Okay. Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj explained the importance of cleanliness through his Gram Gita. And one sentence over there, मिळोनी करावी ग्राम सफाई, नाली मोरी ठाई ठाई, हस्ते पर हस्ते साप सर्वही, चहूकडे मार्ग. This is the sentence from the Gram Gita that is written by Rashtrasant Tukdoji Maharaj. See here, newspaper carry several articles about Shramadhan. Collect these articles, discuss the things that can be achieved through it. Okay. The next point is, do you think that there should be a group of peacekeepers in your school? What criteria will you use to select these peacekeepers? Peacekeepers म्हणजे शांतता दूत. Which rule will you include in the rule book for these peacekeepers? What method should be peacekeepers use to solve your dispute? How did you understand that dispute can be solved peacefully? For a society to be peaceful, the basic need of all of its sections need to be met. Each person must get the necessary security from the peacekeepers with the help of that. The exploitation in a society must stop, inequality must decrease. Everyone must have the right to participate in public life. By learning the importance of peace and by using peaceful method, we can create a peaceful environment in our family, school and community. See, this is the most important to live a peaceful life, and to live such type of life there is need to follow some rule and solve some more problems. See about the International Peace Day. In order for peace to spread worldwide and for nations to be able to strive for the development of their people, 21st September has been designated by the UN as a International Peace Day. 21st September. On this day in the New York, where the United Nations have their headquarters, a bell is rung at 10 o'clock in the morning. This is followed by a few moments of silence. This bell has been made from coins given by people from around 60 nations. See, this is about the International Peace Day. So, the peaceful life is very important to all the parts of that community. Okay? So friends, this topic is over here. The next topic we have to see in the next video, and this chapter is also over. The next chapter we have to take in the next video. So friends, we will stop here. Okay, thank you.